Are you looking for a great teaching opportunity at a well-reputed educational institution? Then this is your chance to join Army Public School and College Chunian Cantt. Yes, Army Public School and College Chunian Cantt is inviting applications from qualified and experienced teachers, both male and female, for various positions. Available positions: teachers for all subjects from pre-classes to HSSC, counseling psychologist, IT assistant for school database and fee management system. Eligibility criteria: BS, MSc, MS, or M.Phil in the relevant subject. Teaching experience will be preferred. B.Ed or M.Ed will be considered an additional qualification for IT assistant. Proficiency in MS Access, Excel, and SQL is required. Experience: minimum 1 to 2 years of relevant experience is required. How to apply? Send your resume CV to a psechunian@gmail.com or WhatsApp at 20311-434-3942 with a professional environment, modern learning system, and excellent growth opportunities. What are you waiting for? Apply today and become a part of Army Public School and College Chunian Cantt.